A new military structure. Xi Jinping outlined a series of designs and arrangements to consolidate the basic principle that the Communist Party of China has absolute leadership of the armed forces. First, the redivision of labor. The CMC takes over all control of the People's Liberation Army, the Chinese People's Armed Police, and the militia and reserve forces. Under the CMC oversight, battle zone commands handle combat matters, while each service branch administrates its own troop building. Second, separation of decision-making, enforcement, and supervision powers, so they can serve as checks and balances on each other while running in parallel. A new discipline inspection commission will be established within the CMC, and inspectors will be posted at CMC departments and battle zone commands. Third, there will be a cut of 300,000 troops, with a downsizing largely in administrative and non-combat personnel. The proportion and structure of different branches will be streamlined to suit new security needs and operations. Fourth, more investment in developing national defense science and technology, including frontier research in both high technology and new concepts. Xi encouraged the military to reach new heights and promote new ideas to drive the army's fighting capability. Fifth, improvements in management of all personnel, including better medical care, insurance, housing, and payments for servicemen. At last, Xi stressed the importance of promoting integrated development of both the military and non-military sectors, and of the economy and defense. Xi ordered the military to resolutely terminate all paid services. The overall is to be completed by 2020.
We insist a top-down reform will be done via step-by-step implementation, promoting reform of each stage as a whole. We aim to complete the reform of national defense and the army by 2020. The Military Commission has carefully put into place arrangements for the implementation work. We will ensure the reforms are implemented so that the military force remains combat-ready and able to complete the various missions needed by the party and the people at any time.